Hi, it's Hazy and welcome to my channel. Would you like to know how to make these flip out journaling spots? There we go. Right then, so this is what these are like, and I'm just going to say please subscribe to my channel, please give me a thumbs up, and please share my video for me. Thank you so much. Right, this is what this is like. It's open like that. That is actually stuck down. This is my writing, so excuse this, but this is actually stuck in the journal like that, flat down like that, and it just opens out like this, and that's edged with washi tape, and this is coffee dyed paper, and it's 8 by 8 inches on both of those are okay. Right then, let's get something to show you. I've got another idea. So this is my journal, like my little pictures. Haha. Did that on showed them off on a couple of groups actually, but I don't know if you've seen them. That's me. Okay, there's another one. Anyway, let's have a look. Oh, here they are. Look. Right, so these are 8 by 8 as well, aren't they? These are 8 by 8 ones. So I've stuck them down, but these have got a little surprise inside, unlike those ones. Haha. So there we go. So I've reinforced this bit, and I've cut that in half, but I'll show you how to fold them in a minute. And this is B journal paper. B 12 by 12 papers originally. I've cut them down into 8 by 8. I think that 6 by 6 works brilliantly, so I'm going to show you a 6 by 6 fold. I think this can go anyway. Hopefully it can, because I don't want to get it. It's a bit annoying if you get it the wrong way. But so try and choose. I would try and choose papers that you can get anyway. Those those B 12 by 12 papers, as they originally are, that I've changed into 8 by 8, have to be a certain way up. It is quite difficult. Anyway, this is how you fold it. You fold it in half. Fold your paper, whether it's a 8 by 8, 6 by 6, or 5 by 5. I've done that this morning. Just have a go. But I've also done a 3 by 3, and I'll show you how I fold a 3 by 3 as well, if I can find one to do it. Right, so there's your fold it. So you've got your little squares, so you've got the little squares like that. So you grab your things by one of the two sides and give it a push. I don't grab it too far in the middle, about an inch and a half from each end. Give it a push, then go towards the middle with your fingers, and so you've got a point there. Whoa, there we go. Right, so now I know that two need a proper point on them, so those two are going to be, so whichever ones are going to fold like that, you know that these two are going to need the proper point on them. So I grab this. I think it's a bit easier if you do it like this. Just grab the ends and get your little point if you can, unlike me. And this as well, excuse my fingers and everything, they're very craftability fingers, so they're always very grubby. But there we go. I haven't got these lovely nails like people have. I don't know how they can do that. But my daughter does do nails, and she could do it for me, but I don't have it. Okay, so there we go. So try and get these into a nice neat square, and get your bone folder. Oh, I've got my bone folder there. Look, it's handy. Get the extra stamp that's trying to get to me, and give it a good push down. As long as you've got them in the... There we go. That's it. There, done it. Right, so that's what you do, and then you fold your little corner back for your pull or tug. I've reinforced that one. I don't think you'd need to reinforce that one because it's quite stiff, this card. And then if you want to make a little pocket out of it like I did, or you can leave it like that, like the original ones I did, and stick that down. I don't know, you might be able to make that into a pocket, but it's not much of a surprise. So I did make a little, I thought that's rather a good idea. So I bring to the table this little pocket idea, just fold it back. What you would do is put your glue on here, on these two edges there, and stick it into your journal. Let's find a page. I'm not going to stick it down there because that's not going to fit, but it's sort of like you would put it wherever you like. You can put it at the edge. It would flip out as a off the page thing, but that won't matter. Or you can put it a bit further up there and have it like that, so they've got more of a journal. This is my 12 by 12 journal, so it's a bit odd shaped, but that was the idea anyway. That's the one I've used with the 12 by 12, the 8 by 8s, and then you can tuck in your little surprises, yay, and things like that. So they've got a little surprise there. These are my these are ones I've faux stamps I've made and copied. Obviously you can ink them all up. I've inked the edges all up on here. Any edges up you like, you can do anything like that. Obviously it's up to you, it's your creative moment. So there we go. I do hope you'll like this little idea. I'm just going to show you how to do how I do the 3 by 3 because it's so cute. 3 by 3, same paper. I've cut that into 3 by 3 and fold it in half, just like this. Can you see? Because I can't tell. Yes. So there we go. I've got this camera quite high, so I could move it down. Hold on. There we go. Right then. Right then. So then you fold that obviously like that, and like this. Like this, like this. And fold it. And if you've got a bony folder, I use your bony folder like that. Oh, it's got to be right. So then you sort of like try and push it in the middle. If it doesn't push in the middle, try and open it up like that. And there we go. And again, if you want to, oh, that one's going to go though. That one is going to go nicely into a point. But if it don't think it will, like this paper's quite thick, so anyway, there we go. We can push our little thing like this. Yes. And stick it down like that. Or you could even, again, make a little tiny pocket for something really tiny, like a little message or something to tuck in there, something, little piece of paper that's poking out, so they can see, oh, there's a little something there, so they can pull it out and find something nice in there. So that's quite nice. And then they've also got a little journaling spot, and that could be something to encourage them to write or something. That would be good. So there we go. I do hope you like this little video. I have enjoyed making it, and it's a nice little short one for you. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share. I do upload my videos every let's start Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And if you've seen any of my injuries, it's because I fell over the other day. I don't know if you could see that, but you don't want to see those, do you? So I try not to show them, but naughty me falling over. But anyway, let's think. And what else can I tell you? I thoroughly enjoy my videos. Please support me by watching my videos. Thank you so much. I've got quite a few different, I've been told I've got lovely ideas, so I do hope you watch them. Yay, thank you so much, and goodbye.